Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter engine, and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear step bumper, 4-wheel disc brakes. Inside you'll find low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power steering, tachometer, overhead console, passenger vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel, front reading lamps, head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.